Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a popular customer relationship management software that can help businesses of all sizes to improve their sales, marketing, and customer service efforts. Here are 10 simple ways to make money with Zoho. So this is the classic view, the homepage. Here we have some samples and examples. Because I remember I don't even have a good account here. So the first way to make money with Zoho CRM is automate your sales process. Zoho CRM has a powerful automation feature that can help you streamline your sales process, save time, and close more deals. And the second way is to use lead scoring. Lead scoring is a technique that allows you to prioritize your leads based on their likelihood or becoming customers. By using lead scoring in Zoho CRM, you can focus on sales efforts on the most promising leads that and improve your conversion rate. Sorry, I got cold. I got cold in the middle of summer. Okay, I lied. We didn't enter summary yet. So the third way is to track your sales pipeline. Zoho CRM allows you to track your sales pipeline so you can see which deals are moving forward and which one are stalled. By monitoring your sales pipelines in real time, you can take actions to close more deals and increase your revenue. The fourth way is analyze your sales data. Zoho CRM has a powerful reporting and analytics features that allows to analyze your sales data and identify trends and patterns, not partners. By using this insight to optimize your sales strategy, you can increase your revenue and profitability. So where are the analytics? Just check them. Not here. Here. Not here. Here. Not here. Here. Maybe. Let's see. Here. Here we see the analytics. We have open deals, in touched deals called. This is just simple. Your smart chat. You can chat with AI. Here we have activity reminders. Zia is, I think, the customer service here. And how to get my real home. Because this is just a sample and examples. So you can view it in full screen. Here we have the management home. To see the revenue dismount, deal closed dismount, overdue tasks, and how did you make this money. You see it has several ways to show you how to manage this. So the fifth way is to use email marketing. Zoho CRM has a built-in email marketing features that allows you to send personalized emails to your leads and customers. By using email marketing to nurture your leads and stay in touch with your customers, you can easily track and increase your sales and revenue. The sixth way is upsell and cross sells. Zoho CRM can help you identify opportunities to upsell and cross-sell to your existing customers. By offering additional products and services to your customer, you can increase your revenue and build customer loyalty. So people that's focusing on this home and reading information or something to fill up your time, just relax. I will not do anything with this laptop. Just listen to my voice. Don't even look at this home. If there is anything important, I will tell you. I will tell you here to look here. Just for now, just listen to me. The seventh way is improve customer services. Zoho CRM has a feature that allows you to track customer interactions and respond to customers' inquiries quickly and efficiently. By providing excellent customer service, you can increase your customer satisfaction and retention. The eighth way is to use social media. Zoho CRM allows you to monitor social media conversations and engage with customers and prospects on social media platforms. By using social media to build relationship and promote your brand, you can easily increase your revenue and customer loyalty. So the ninth way is integrate with other tools. Zoho CRM integrates with a wide range of other tools, including marketing, automation software, accounting software, and e-commerce platform. By integrating with other tools, you can improve your efficiency and productivity and increase your revenue. The 10th way is to use a mobile access to keep track on your Zoho mobile account. The mobile app allows you to access to your CRM data anywhere. By using this app, you can stay connected to your customers and prospect on the go and respond to inquiry and opportunities in the real time. So it's really simple. Just do what have you learned in doing in generating businesses. This website has nothing special. You can just continue doing what they have told you to do. They told you to access to Zoho CRM to use your company or business to improve more. You just have to enter your informations, and Zoho will show you a guide to be in time and really good starting have. So we have the standard plan, the professional, the enterprise, the ultimate. First time seeing something more than enterprise, and first time seeing something more than ultimate. We have the CRM plus, and the ultimate plan is the free one, the boom plan. You can buy add-on. So here the plan, add-on, play, and confirmation. It's not just come and click here and you thinks you are buying the account. You have the confirmation, so you make sure you don't buy it by mistake. You can't ask them for a refund or no, I just wanted to try. No, we don't do this here. So here we have the motivator. I don't know what's a motivator. Like, let's see what's a motivator. No, I don't think we're gonna see what's a motivator. If it's a white space. Yeah, sorry about the motivator. You can check it yourself. Thanks for watching. And hope this video was helpful for someone. At least someone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.